guys, this is Easy Cubing, and in this video we're going to be talking about the top 3 times that the fastest cubers in the world got their records stolen from them. These are going to be the top 3 most influential records and ones the cubing community did not see coming. Enjoy. Alright, so coming in at the number 1 spot is Colin Burns' 5.25 Rubik's Cube world record. Now this 5.25 solve by Collins was the record that broke Matt's Volk 5.55 solve that lasted over 2 years. This was such a big deal because Collins got the record really close to 4 seconds and the media coverage he got was insane. The previous record, like I said, lasted over 2 years and was by Matt's Volk, and Colin Burns came in and took that from him. Coming in at the number 2 spot is when Lucas Eder took Keaton Ellis's world record on the same day at the same competition when Keaton Ellis got his. Now, although Keaton Ellis's record was not considered official because the competition wasn't over, he did have the fastest official time at the moment. This was super disrespectful, sad, and kind of funny because even though Keaton Ellis did lose the world record, Lucas Eder did get one. And the best part is that Keaton Ellis was actually in the video when Lucas Eder broke his. And finally, coming in at the number 1 spot is when Felix Zemdegs broke Max Volk's record while he was sitting literally right next to him. This is definitely the biggest time in cubing history that a record has been stolen from somebody. Felix's solve was 1/10 of a second faster than Max's, and Max was literally right there to watch it happen. Both Max and Felix have held the world record on and off for the past 5 years, but this was the closest they have ever gotten, and they were side by side when this all went down. Alright guys, here is the actual video of the solve. Make sure to pay close attention to Max here, and you can see how sad he gets when Felix breaks his record.
Yeah. 8 seconds. Oh!
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the top 3 times that professional cubers got their records stolen from them. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no.